Cyclone Amphan, a very dangerous cyclone. Pronounced as Amphan, which means sky. The name was given by Thailand in 2004, that is 16 years ago. Cyclone Amphan is the first tropical cyclone of 2020, which is extremely severe and has been intensifying over the Bay of Bengal and is likely to make landfall over West Bengal and Odisha in India as well as Bangladesh on 20th May, that is Wednesday, between Digha and Hatia Islands. The speed will be 185 km per hour. As a result, a rise in sea level can be observed. The IMD, India Meteorological Department, has predicted very heavy rainfall in Odisha and heavy rainfall in Kerala. So they placed few districts under yellow alert. It has also predicted 64.5 mm to 115.5 mm rain in 24 hours. During May 13, an area of low pressure developed over the southeastern Bay of Bengal. During May 16, the IMD reported that the area of low pressure had developed into a depression. On May 17, conditions for significant intensification became more likely and Amphan became a severe cyclonic storm, increasing from 140 km per hour to 215 km per hour in only 6 hours. So guys, this cyclone Amphan is seriously very dangerous. So just stay inside and along with you do shelter domestic animals. Turn off all electricity, gas and water supplies. Unplug all electrical appliances and monitor closely on radio or television. So friends, due to some natural disaster occurring frequently on our planet Earth, let's learn little in detail about some winds and cyclones. I, Tanya Agrawal, welcome you all to my channel Knowledge Pitara. Let's learn about them. Wind. Air in motion. When air is in motion, it is called wind. It occurs due to the difference in the pressure of the air. Types of winds: regular, periodical, and variable. Regular winds means winds which blow regularly. Periodical winds means winds which blow at certain seasons. And variable winds means winds which blow irregularly. So the two types of regular winds are trade winds and westerlies. An example of periodical winds is monsoon, and the two types of variable winds are cyclones and local winds. Trade winds. Currents of air blowing towards the equator from the northeast and the southeast. As you can see in the diagram that the winds are blowing from northeast and southeast towards the equator. Monsoon winds blow over India, Indochina, China and northwest Australia. Westerlies winds blow in temperate zones. The southwesterly winds blow in northern hemisphere and the northwesterly winds in the southern hemisphere. Chinook, hot, dry winds on the east side of the Rocky Mountains. Similar winds on the north of the Alps in Europe are called Föhn. The Sirocco, hot, moist wind which blows from the Sahara Desert in Africa across to Italy in Europe. The Solano, hot, moist winds blowing from the Sahara Desert in Africa to the Iberian Peninsula in Europe. The Harmattan, hot, dry wind which blows from the interior of West Africa. The Mistral, very cold wind which blows down from the plateau of central France in Europe. The Bora, cold, dry wind blowing outwards from Hungary in Europe to the north of Italy, again in Europe. Punas, cold, dry winds blowing down on the western side of the Andes in South America. Cyclones. It swirls round and round a low pressure area and are found in latitudes 35° to 60°. Anticyclones. It swirls around a high pressure center. Hurricane. Severe tropical storm which revolves at a terrific speed, usually between 160 and 240 km per hour. In approaching the center, it moves in an anti-clockwise direction, and in departing, it moves in the opposite direction. It does considerable damage to many islands in the West Indies. Blizzard. Blinding storm of snow and wind common in the polar regions. Typhoon. A cyclone which occurs over the China Seas. Tornadoes. Violent cyclonic storms which occur in some parts of the United States of America, that is USA. So friends, this is the summary of all the local winds which occur across the world. Please go through the video very carefully as it is going to help you in any of the competitive examination. This is the end of the video. Hope you liked the video. If you do, please like it, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more notifications. Do share it among your friends. Thank you for watching and take care.